beautiful souls. I hope you all are doing great. If you like my videos, like my channel, please like, share, subscribe and comment and click on the bell icon so that you get notified of all my future videos. And if you have any topics, any suggestions in mind which you want me to make videos on, do let me know and I will definitely make a video on that topic. I have two other channels, Divinestaars Tarot and Divinestaars Tarot in Hindi, where I do tarot readings. So please go and visit them. I'll be giving their link in the description box below. And if you like them, like, share, subscribe to them as well. Today, let's discuss the topic of incarnated angels. What are incarnated angels? This term simply means those living beings who were angels originally before their incarnation. You can call them angels in human bodies. Now, what are the characteristics of these angels? What are the characteristics of incarnated angels? First of all, to start with, physical features. They have heart-shaped faces, low to medium height, though few can be quite tall. They look quite young to their age. They are usually overweight and struggle with weight loss. They have very attractive eyes and facial features. They have noticeable hair. It can either be dyed in different colors or it can be curly, etc. They are very calm, very soothing, very nurturing, very caring. Their voice is very calm, very soothing, soft and attractive. They have short lifespan and leave their body once their life's purpose is complete. Though few may have longer lifespans if it is a part of their life purpose. They are very caring, gentle and compassionate, very, very empathetic and sensitive towards energies and emotions. They find it difficult to tolerate extreme temperature, loud noises, bright light, etc. This is why many suffer from hormonal issues, migraine, reproductive or gynecological issues, or even cancers. They are very intelligent with very high IQ, quick learners with great skills and creativity. They are good at almost everything they do. They are highly inclined towards spirituality and mysticism and inherit many psychic gifts. Highly intuitive. They are nature lovers and love all living beings including plants, insects, animals, birds and humans. They do not have much interest in materialistic stuffs and always think beyond the perception of normal brain and eyes. They find it difficult to mingle with everyone and have very few friends. And societal standards and earthly restrictions, rules and regulations seem very overwhelming to them. They are non-judgmental, honest, truthful and trustworthy. They find it difficult to digest low vibration things like lies, deception, ego, etc. Very prone to psychic attacks, especially when they are unawakened. Rather, only when they are unawakened. This is why they are always surrounded by their angels and divine beings. These beings also guide them to awaken them and make them aware of their mission. They struggle with saying no, as they never want to hurt anyone. Now let's discuss about their relationships. Have you ever met someone and immediately start feeling better or positive, even if you have met them for the first time? Ever talk to someone and realize that they are able to understand even the things unsaid by you? Ever seen or met someone and feel there is something different about them? They have this divine spark within them, a great vibe. If answers to these questions is a yes, then you might have met one of incarnated angels. Energy of incarnated angels, even if unawakened, is so high and positive that everyone feels their positivity and aura, even if they themselves are unaware about it. They are the ones you can always count on, great listeners. They read your energies and emotions more than your words. They always go beyond their comfort zone to help people. And they do not know how to draw boundaries. People, even strangers, open up to them easily and share their secrets with them. Because of their giving, caring, healing and empathetic nature, they are usually victims of abusers, manipulators, cheaters, narcissists, etc. They might have been through toxic relations in the past and find it difficult to let go, as the angelic core wants to help and heal people. They cling on to relations quite longer than others and have difficulty moving on. They apologize even for the mistakes of others and easily take the blame on themselves, as they do not want to hurt anyone. You might find them saying sorry too often. They love unconditionally and seek true love, but rarely get it. They rarely get married, and even if they do, it's late than others, and only if their life purpose includes marriage, kids, etc. Often they are emotionally mistreated and are dissatisfied, but still forgive and love easily. Now talking about their professions. Whatever their profession is, they always nurture, care and spread love. Most common professions can be teachers, healers, doctors, nurses, healthcare workers, caretakers or psychics who help the world. Now coming to the final point, why do they incarnate? They incarnate to spread and teach love, compassion and harmony, to guide people towards higher consciousness, to raise the collective consciousness and vibrations of the planet in order to sustain life, to balance and restore order of the planet and universe. Due to their very high energy, they leave a major fragment of their energy in their realm before incarnating. Many of them incarnate as star seeds before they incarnate on Earth. Tips for unawakened incarnated angels. Now, if you feel majority of these traits are yours and resonate with you, then you might be an incarnated angel. Also, do you find people often referring to you as their angel without even knowing its meaning? If yes, then you might be one. So here are a few tips for you. Number 1. Learn to draw boundaries and say no. Number 2. Love yourself, prioritize yourself, as this is what you struggle with the most because of your giving nature, rather your overgiving nature. Number 3. Learn to let go of the things not serving you. Number 4. Work on yourself, connect with your core, your angelic core, which has answers to all the confusions and all the queries of your life and which will guide you towards the right path. Next, it's not your responsibility to heal the whole world. Remember, you can only help those who are willing to help themselves and who are willing to seek for help. Preserve your energies. Always stay connected to your guides for safety and guidance. Remember, you are prone to attract negative energies as you are a big and strong reservoir of positive energy. So, pray for the healing of all, but don't drain yourself. After all, you are an angel in human body, which has its own limitations and restrictions. So this was my video about incarnated angels. Do let me know if you like it and if you have any queries about it. And we shall meet next week with another topic. Till then, take care, stay blessed. Till we meet again.